What's up, guys? Jordan here from Show Me Vegas at the Golden Nugget in downtown Las Vegas. I stayed here last night, and you know what that means? It's walking tour time. In this episode of the world-famous Show Me Vegas walkthrough, we are going to check out a downtown property. This place is a little disjointed, and it's hard to know exactly where to begin, so I think in this episode, I'm going to start up in the room. Alright, 8th floor of the Gold Tower. As always, once we get downstairs, I'm going to use the map to help show you around.
The Gold Tower elevators are right off the main lobby, which will be to our right when we get off the elevator, but we're going to go left first and go through the casino.
Right at the base of the gold elevators here is a little essentials shop. That's one of two on the property. The other one's in the Rush Tower. From the gold elevators, you come right out into the casino. That right in front of us is the high limit room. Over here on the right is high limit slots. All right, we're going to go right, and we're going to go all the way around this place. Right here is Claude's Bar. I love the old school wood and mirrors. Immediately to our right now, the poker room. This is a cool poker room. It's very old school, low ceilings, leather and wood paneling. Quite busy yesterday as well. All right here on the right is the cashier. And now we're headed toward Fremont Street. One thing you're going to notice about this place, in addition to it being very busy, not right now because this is 9:30 in the morning on a Thursday, but tightly packed. The slots are so tightly packed in here, it's crazy. All right, this entrance is on the eastern end of the building. That goes out to Fremont Street. You can see Fremont Casino right across the street. Four Queens is on the same side of the street as us. Let's walk through the casino now, going parallel to Fremont Street. Table games left and right, tons of tables here, and they're always busy. When they're open, they're always busy. This is bar 46 on our right here. See Fremont Street right out through those windows. For this being a weekday morning at 9:30 or so, there's already a lot of people playing. There's another casino bar on our right here. I'm not sure this one has a name. But one thing you're going to see on this casino floor is tons of casino bars. And like I said, tons of slot machines. This hotel has a little bit more than 2,400 rooms, which is really big for a Fremont Street hotel. Perhaps that's why this smallish casino is always really busy. But it's also just very popular. All right, this is the western end of the Golden Nugget, spilling out onto Fremont. You can see directly across the street here is Circa. Right inside this entrance, you're going to find the Troy Liquor Bar. That's actually upstairs, kind of like a club, lounge, if you will. We're going to head this way, but I'm going to take a left real quick and show you a couple things. No, thank you. No, thank you. Somebody just tried to give me a voucher. All right, this is the Race and Sportsbook. There's a sports bar on the outside. And this is a very cool little sportsbook. It's small, but it's got a cool lounge vibe. Show you around real quick. All right, let's keep going. Right next to the sports book, you've got a little food counter here, just called The Grill. And then right next to the grill is the Rush Lounge. Now this way takes us kind of back to where we came from, so I'm going to go this way back where we came and keep going around. Like I said, Troy Liquor Bar is upstairs. Here's a staircase that heads up. We're now on the south side of the property. I'm sorry. We're now on the west side of the property heading south. I didn't realize this was a pet-friendly hotel, but it must be. Over here is the Grand. That's a ballroom. Over here to my left is Red. Noodles, Asian cuisine, and sushi. I wanted to eat there last night, but it was a Wednesday night, and evidently they're closed on Wednesday nights. Let's take a look at the map real quick. We're headed now into the Rush Tower. There's actually a separate little lobby over here for the Rush Tower. Right back here are the Rush Tower elevators. Also back there, the Signature Shop. That's the other little essential store I was telling you about. But like I said, this has a separate lobby, and I've not seen this check-in desk open yet. There's just a sign that directs you to the main lobby. There is also some retail back here, a jewelry store and an apparel store. But again, I've not yet seen this open. But I mentioned Red. Also back here you have Chart House. That's a seafood restaurant with a huge fish tank in the middle. That's pretty cool. It's kind of reminiscent of the fish tank they have in the pool area, which we'll see in a minute. All right, we're now heading east. On the left is Saltgrass Steakhouse. That is a chain restaurant, but it's very popular. As you see, they have dining areas on both sides of the walkway here. And this one kind of has a little bit of an outdoor feel because you've got nice big windows overlooking the pool area. Saltgrass was open last night on Wednesday night, and it was super busy. You see right in front of us the casino credit office. If you want to take out a marker, this is where you're going to go. I wouldn't recommend it though. We're going to head real briefly back toward the casino just to kind of show you. And then we're going to head the other way. So on the right is the high limit room. Right on the other side of that high limit room is where we came down the elevators from the Gold Tower. Escalators up to the showroom right here. And the 24 Karat Club, that's the Players Club here at the Golden Nugget, right here. I did get my card printed for the first time in years last night, although I haven't gambled here yet, and I might not. A quick look at the casino floor. Not a whole lot of tables open, but it's a weekday morning. They'll be open soon enough. All right, let's head toward the main lobby. This will give you a little bit of an idea of just how busy this place is. Again, a weekday morning, and it is crawling with people. A couple of things here. Right on the right is Ice Bar, which is super pretty. Also backs up to the pool area, so if you sit here, you have plenty of natural light and you can see outside of the pool area. That's a really cool bar. That sits right off the main lobby, which is right here. This is main registration. I'm going to take you back toward the Gold Tower elevators real quick because there's something you need to see. Okay, a couple things you need to see. Right here is Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse. On the left, the chocolate box, the VIP lounge. These are the elevators we came down in from upstairs. Right over here, this is it. The Hand of Faith Golden Nugget. The largest displayed gold nugget in the world. This was actually found in somebody's own yard in Australia using a metal detector. It was 6 inches below the surface, weighs more than 61 pounds, 875 troy ounces. All right, let's go back through the lobby and we'll keep going toward the back of this property. We get another peek of the registration desk right here and the bell desk. A lot of action for this time on a Thursday morning. Hope those people are prepared to pay the early check-in fee like I did yesterday. All right, headed south now. On the right is the pool area. The pool area here at the Nugget is pretty famous, and this is why. The shark tank in the middle. If you're not aware, and I'm sure you are, there is a slide that goes right down through the middle of the shark tank. The waterfalls are cool. It's a great pool area. It's kind of small, and it was very crowded. This is mid-October, and it was very crowded yesterday. It looks like people are already lining up to get in. I think it opens at 10, which is in about 15 minutes. But this time of year, if you want to guarantee yourself a spot in the sun, you're probably going to need to line up early. The angle of the sun in October, most of that pool area is shaded during the day. Right in front of us, Claim Jumper. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Certain days of the week it's only open until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so just lunch. That was the case yesterday. We're headed back toward the Carson Tower now. On my left here is Cadillac, Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar. This place tends to be pretty popular. All right, back here in between the Rush and Carson Towers, you're going to find the Uber and Lyft pickup zone. This is your rideshare pickup. I was dropped off here yesterday. Upstairs is the conference center. Love this chandelier right here. All right, let's head back to the Carson Tower. On the right is a large retail shop, Style and Trend. A lot of apparel in there, sunglasses, purses, the like. Over here on the left is Grotto. A nice looking place. Interesting that the wood-fired oven is on, even though they're not open, and they weren't open yesterday either. All right, this is kind of the de facto Carson Tower lobby, and I think it's funny that they have this bank of slot machines right here. This is pretty far from the main casino floor, so I guess they wanted to give Carson Tower guests their own little place to gamble. I just passed by a budget rent-a-car desk, which I didn't know was there. Right up here is a Starbucks. This is one of 2 Starbucks outlets. One of 2 Starbucks outlets on the property. And right back here at the base of the Carson Tower is a Chick-fil-A. As with all Chick-fil-A's on planet Earth, Super popular this morning. Carson Tower elevators to our left, and the other essentials store. All right, let's zip back to the main casino floor and wrap this up. And here we are, right back in the middle of the action. I mentioned these table games are super popular. And that's probably because you're frequently going to find $5 minimums like you do right now, especially on the weekdays. And because of that, they really fill up. One thing I think I forgot to show you earlier is that first Starbucks. So let's go over here and see that. And here it is right here, just inside Fremont Street. And there you have it. That is about as complete a walking tour as I can give you here at the Golden Nugget. Hopefully you found this video informative, and hopefully it helps you navigate this property whenever you come. Are you visiting the Golden Nugget soon? Drop a comment down below. And as always, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified anytime we drop new content. Thanks as always for watching. We'll see you in the next one because there's always more for us to show you on Show Me Vegas.